Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a creative PowerPoint slide and this is an infographic that I have made. So let me show you how to make it in PowerPoint. Open a PowerPoint template and insert a rectangle right here like this and put it into the middle. Duplicate it 3 times and put them side by side with equal distance between them. Now what you have to do is select all of them and change their color to white. Go to shape format, presets and give this inner shadow. And let's increase the size. And let's change the angle and increase the size. Now let's change its shadow's color to purple. And let me just change its color to a different color. I'm using green and for this I'm going to use red. Select all of them and remove the outline. Go to shapes and add the shape right here. Adjust it, make it a little bit smaller, select both of them and go to merge and subtract. Let's duplicate them about 2 times. Let's place them side by side. There you go. Now let's change the shadow's color. Now go to this first template and select the text and this icons and copy them along with the number of this infographic. Copy them, go to previous slide and paste them right here. And you have to group all of them, select the text and the icons and the shapes and the content and group them by pressing Ctrl G. And there you go. This is the last infographic. We're gonna select all of the things on it and group them and select all of them and give them this animation and change the direction to from right. And this is the preview. So that was all you had to do. Let me just give the timing. So this was all you had to do. Be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like these.